Okay. Hey guys, you know that lovely trout I showed you before? Well, today we're making it. We're making extra crispy fried trout. Got this panko breadcrumbs, Japanese style breadcrumbs. Got the flour, got the eggs in here. You know, I'm just getting ready to add the panko to it. And then we got the trout right here. Got some nice trout in here, you know. I gotta cut this shit. Oh yeah, nice breadcrumbs. Just, you know, I'd say quite a bit of breadcrumbs. Now the recipe recommended 4 1/3 cups flour, but that's, I think, overkill. Me and my wife were talking about it. That's like too much. Stir this up real nice. Yeah, get the eggs nice and broken up. Oh yeah, what's what we want? That thick batter. This thick batter. Do you have any more white eggs?
No.
Should I add? Okay. I'm just gonna add some fresh, pure drinking water, filtered drinking water here. And this, I'm gonna say, let me see. I'd say about half a cup. Yep, half a cup there. Just check that. Yeah, it's half a cup. Okay. Get that nice and stirred up. And then I'm going to add a bit more breadcrumbs because I don't want it too liquidy. But I want it to stick to the fish. So I'm going to add a tad bit more breadcrumbs. Somewhere between 1/3 and half a cup. Or actually about a fourth. Yeah, somewhere around a fourth of breadcrumbs. Just to give it a bit more thickness. To soak up some of that water. Gotta get that perfect consistency. Scrape this out. That's nice and battery. Check the consistency. You think it's too liquidy? Should I add a little more flour? Maybe just a little bit.
Yeah, a ton bit, I guess.
Like a handful or something. Just add a little flour in there. Check the consistency. Yeah, see how it's nice and clumpy? That is stick great to the salmon. And we're going to fry it up in some vegetable oil.
Take that off, baby, because there's almost nothing.
We're going to fry it up in some Optima deep frying oil from the experts in olive oil. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. Deep frying oil. Get a nice deep fry. Yeah, we're going to need a good amount of this. Get a nice little fry. Yeah. Deep fry this. As deep as it can go in a pan. And I got this rainbow trout. We're making sliders. Look at that. Nice pink trout. You know? Yep, so we're going to take this and dip it in our batter. Oh yeah, see how it sticks to the skin? See how it sticks like that? Okay. And then yeah, just set that like so. I'll back up. And then, you know, take this batter and just make sure you get it nice and crispy. Smear that on there, you know, nice and thick. Yep. And then you want to just do that with every trout. There's another piece of trout. Yeah, you know, you can just, you know, set that right there and just, you know, just get that nice and breaded. Yeah. Oh yeah, so that's 2 down. Okay, yeah, I cut a piece out of that. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Oh yeah, that's a nice piece of trout. Rainbow trout. Give him some space in there. Get nice and marinated. Yeah. Now I know it may look like a lot of breading, but you know, through the cooking process, some of this breading is gonna tend to fall off. And yeah. Oh look, he's got this fin here. I'm just gonna. Some people like to keep those things on, but let's prop his fin. It's just a bone. That's all it is. There's nothing to worry about that. I thought it looked cool, so I left it on there. Won't mess anything up. Yeah, so I guess we're gonna have a nice little sandwich here. And then I'll probably put this on somewhat low but medium heat and let it just fry up, you know. Yeah, so let's get this fish fry going. Yeah, you want all that deep frying oil. You want to have it kind of low until you can tell the oil's cooking. Yeah, so we'll take a break, get those frying for a while. Stay tuned. Hope you guys like. Okay, so you guys see how that oil has a nice little bubble on it? I'm going to kick it up just a little bit to make it bubble a little faster. But that's going to get you frying.
Yep.
Okay, hey guys, I just flipped them. You know, I'm going to let them cook for a while. But I just want to show you something. You see how I told you I added extra breading and stuff like that? It makes them a bit more bigger and fill you up faster because the fillets were kind of small. But if you notice, you can tell that is the fish, and this is just the seasonings and flour and eggs, the breading that we made. Now, if you go to Long John Silver and order a crispy fish fillet, you won't get the skin. So how much of that is fish you're getting? You know, at least with mine, you can see how much fish you're getting. Okay, guys, I just added some veggies. Do you see how white this trout is? This is rainbow trout. Now, if you say that's not good food, man, this is better. Look at that. It looks more fresh and better than any fish you can find in the store. That's rainbow trout. That is good eating.
So is that the sharpness?
It's on P-mode, man.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I just turned the heat off. Look, you can see. Look at that white meat cooked all the way through. The breading's nice and crispy and brown and red. You know, but look at that white fish meat. Cooked all the way through, man. That is some... Look, here's a fresh piece that fell off. This is fish. This is the whitest fish you've ever seen, man. Nice and cooked. Yup, see here? So you can see on inside of it, if you just take a little off there, You can see all that inside whiteness right there. Yeah, this is the dish, guys. It's a crispy fried fish salad. And then over here, if you want to make fish sandwiches. Yep. Nice cooked fresh white meat.